International News Report.
Today our main story is about artificial intelligence or AI as how it is changing education around the world.
AI technology is becoming more popular in school and university. Students can use AI tools to find information, practice language, and understand difficult lessons.
However, experts say that students should use AI carefully.
However, experts say that students should use AI carefully. They should check information and not depend on AI for all of their schoolwork.
AI is still developing quickly and it may become an important part of education in the future.
Teachers also play an important role. They can help students use new technology in a responsible and useful way.
Thanks for watching.